I don't know if you guys remember, but at our last trip to Real Deals, we bought this amazingly generic apple pie filling and we haven't made anything with it yet. One of which I guess is light and the other is regular. We said that we were gonna try to make a pie with them. I thought that since I'm out of work a little bit early and Ken gets out in about an hour, it might be nice to make a surprise generic apple pie. And then we can see if these are disgusting or not. Let's try to make a pie. Hopefully I don't mess this up. I'm super tired. Ginger's in a one kitty production of some sort of opera, evidently, because she's been meowing all night, every night. So hopefully I don't screw anything up. A pie crust with apple pie filling, right? Like, what can go wrong? Got my apron. Got my scary apple pie filling. Got my pre-made pie crusts. So really, this should be super easy. You just dump them all in, right? Dump them all in together. It says bring crust to room temperature. And I didn't do that. But if I want this to be a surprise for when Ken gets home, we're just gonna fake it. Hopefully it doesn't make it terrible. Look at these helpers. Hi, helpers. Hi. You helping? Thank you. I'm gonna use both. I don't know if you can see that, but the light is a different color, just slightly. The full fat is on the bottom and the light is on the top. It's a layered pie. Maybe I should have mixed those together first, like in a bowl, instead of just flopping them together in the pie pan. Seed. Don't want that. There, it's an apple. Ta-da! Now the package directions say bake until golden brown. Doesn't say how long that is. I don't know, we're gonna check it in like 20 minutes? Is that good? Sure, 20 minutes. Okay, so I just read the box before I was getting ready to recycle it, and it says bakes in 10 to 12 minutes. So we're gonna switch this to a little bit shorter. Do you guys want pie? Cats don't eat pie. Cats don't eat pie, sillies. Let's just kill some time until the pie is done. It smells really good in here. I don't know. Doesn't really look golden brown yet. Maybe a couple more minutes. What do you think, Ginger? Think it's ready? It's pretty. Thank you. I'm glad you think so too. Cats don't eat pie. Cats don't eat pie. It actually looks not particularly golden brown in the middle, and it's not bubbling. So I might do the old tin foil around the edges trick, just to see. Ginger, you have such a beautiful voice, but oh my goodness. It's probably all right. Now I'm sure this would be better looking if I had done some sort of egg wash or literally anything to pretty it up, but it is the world's most generic pie. because we do have the world's most generic pie filling. So I figured it was only right to embrace it in its base state. It's just pure apple pie filling goodness. So guess who made it home?
Here I am.
Guess what I made?
What you made?
A pie.
Pie? It's a surprise.
Uh-huh. You gonna look at it?
What kind of pie?
Apple pie.
Is it in here? In the oven?
It's in the oven, cooling in the
apple
oven.
Pie. Huh?
With the apple pie filling we got from Real Deal.
Oh, nice. Generic.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, so we have to wait till it cools and then we
Yeah.
can try it.
Awesome.
Yeah, lucky you. I didn't get it at Costco.
We saved
It's
our
in a
Costco container. Oh, I didn't notice you made a little apple
Yeah,
on there.
fancy.
So talented.
It's fancy.
So talented. Okay.
All right.
I'm not good at this though.
Here,
this
do you
is
want to
my-
switch?
Well, this can be mine.
Okay,
Oh,
we can't find
you're
our
good.
pie server. We do have one. I just don't know where it is. Yeah. Oh, see, you did a nice job.
Oh.
I mean, considering that that's a knife. So I know this looks underdone as anything, but I swear I baked it for like at least twice as long as what it said to bake it at. So cute. You got your coffee.
Got my instant coffee. Freeze dried from Folgers. We're always in this position in the kitchen. I feel one day we'll get a new light bulb.
I know, so the lighting isn't horrific. And I have my water in case this is interesting. Tastes fine.
Yeah, that's good. It's good.
Yeah.
Someone said, forget who commented, that they looked up where this is from. Was it Pete?
Good then.
And Musselman? Same street address. It's just super generic.
The crust is meh, but like, that didn't come from Real Deals. That came from like,
Aldi?
yeah, probably.
Yeah.
But the pie filling's actually really good. I don't know if I can taste the difference between the light and the non-light, but both are lovely.
But there's a light and a not light?
Yeah, one of them's darker than the other. So if you see light colored apples and dark colored apples, that's because one of the cans that we bought from Real Deals was light apple pie filling. The other was, I don't know, fatty apple pie filling.
Good job toiling in the kitchen all day.
Thanks. I had to plop it right in and put it in the oven.
I can tell you put some effort, which is more than I did.
Thanks for giving us excuses to eat pie, guys.
Well, this is really good. Thanks for making this.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching my wife make this.
Thanks for eating it. Thanks for trusting me enough to eat it.
Have you tried any strange pie fillings or anything like that? That's just like super generic? Leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear your tales from the beyond or the edge of life.
We just want to make sure that we're not the only crazy ones that buy things based on how weird the cans look. Bye! Final thoughts? Pie was pretty good. Filling was actually really, really good. Crust was okay. I think probably the fact that I didn't let it come to room temperature is why it seemed a little doughier than it should have been. Hilariously, that generic apple pie filling was really good. That was definitely the best part of the pie. Cats don't eat pie. Cats don't eat pie, sillies. I'm sorry.